It's a genuine Mac ship.
Yes.
Without the eye, they misspelled it. What's in here?
A lot of stuff.
Looks like a lot of genuine Harley stuff. I'm buying a dealer stuff. Old dealer inventories. I like buying dealer inventories. Except when you get crap like this on the shelf that's defective.
Yeah.
This is probably a gear of some type. That's a shaft. That is a performance spring kit. High performance spring kit. A couple more gears. Another gear. A shaft. Unknown. Ooh, sportster shift works. Brass ones too. Alright. What's in here? What's that?
No clue.
Piece of green foam.
Yeah.
There's something in it. That oil pump. Genuine too. That's definitely, that's either new or low mileage.
Is that a sportster oil pump?
That is a sportster oil pump. Nice one. Ironhead.
It looks new.
It's either new or pretty damn close to it. Looks new. What gets me though, it has that on the end of it. So it's got too many lines. So this is an Evo pump. It's going forward with a filter.
Ooh.
Could also be late 84 Sportster. They did the same thing. Because the 77 to 84, they only had in and out. In and out. This is going to an oil filter. Oil filter. They didn't... let's see, the first year of an oil filter on a Harley was an 80 Sportster. But this is on the pressure side. It would have been on the return side. So this is going to a pressure filter, which is an Evo design up in the front, where the generator snout used to be.
Yeah.
But they went up there and then they came back and went up in the motor. I don't think they ever did that on Ironhead. I think that's just Evo. So that make this 4-speed Evo or maybe 5-speed. Up until 98 when they changed stuff. And this one here is 99.
99? Well, looky there.
And yep. Top feed. Buell.
Oh.
Buell did that to get more oil in the system. So this is a 99 and later Sportster pump. Because all your Sportsters copied Buell.
Oh, okay.
You put the hole in there. So this is a late model pump. That was an Ironhead pump. That's an Evo. So you know what that is?
Oil pump.
Fits right in that bike right there.
Oh, yeah.
Buell. It also fits any modern Sportster. But it'll retrofit all the way back to all your 5-speed Sportsters use the same pump.
Oh, okay.
I think it goes all the way back to the 4-speed pump, like I said. I think it goes all the way back. So definitely 86 and up is probably the same. Would be my guess. Unless they change a gear or something stupid inside, it should be all the same. It's retrofit. So it's an upgraded pump for earlier bike. You can see the gear down inside the slot there.
Oh, yeah. There it is.
Secondary feed. It also means any trash that's on your gear chest goes right in the pump.
Yes.
Good for it.
Yep.
There you go.
It's good for the teeth.
Good for the feed.